Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Review Lab. Today, we're diving into the ultimate open-top hybrid supercar, the 2025 Ferrari sf90 Spider in Rosso Scuderia. Stick around. I'll cover everything a buyer wants to know, from specs and price to what it's like living with one. 20 seconds. This isn't just any Ferrari. It's their first plug-in hybrid Spider, packing a combined 986 GP from a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 and 3 electric motors, 0 to 60. Ferrari claims 2.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest road-legal drop tops out there, and the iconic Rosso Scuderia paint just makes it pop. Size and weight overlay with car dimensions graphics. Length, 4,709 mm. Width, 77.6, 1,971 mm. Height, 46.7, 1,186 mm. Wheelbase, 104.3, 2,650 mm. Curb weight Spider, approx. 1,670 kilograms, approximately 683 pounds. It's low, wide, and hefty for a Ferrari, but those hybrid systems add some mass. Performance, action shots, engine, acceleration, Imenitino, 0-60 miles per hour, approximately 2, 5S max power, approximately 986 HP, 780 GP from ICE, plus approximately 220 HP electric. Top speed, approximately 211 mph, 340 kilometers per h. For Stradiel, Spider nearly matches hybrid modes, e-drive for 25 kilometers, EV travel, hybrid performance, qualify via e-Manatino. These driving modes let you go from silent city cruising to full throttle insanity. Interior function and tech. Interior cabin footage, screens, wheel, roof operation. Seats 2. Full leather buckets, bucket comfort with a sporty vibe, wraparound 16 curved HD screen, digital tachometer, nav, battery, performance settings, new e-Manatino and right spoke touchpad to control powertrain. Left spoke has voice cruise controls, retractable, hard top opens, closes in 14S, even on the go, takes only approximately 100L trunk space. It genuinely feels like an F1 cockpit, with the luxury Ferrari expects. Wheels and tires. Wheels, 20 forged aluminum. Front 9.5. Rear 11.5. Tires, 255/35 ZR20 front. 315/30 ZR20 rear. High performance Michelin Pirelli level. A perfect setup for grip, control, and that aggressive stance. Price breakdown, base price, approx. $590,000. Warranty, 3-year unlimited basic powertrain, 8-year battery and high voltage 7-year maintenance. Expect a total cost of ownership north of $650K with options and delivery. Maintenance, Ferrari's premium service, but coverage is solid early on. Hybrid performance with drop-top thrill, stunning visual and acoustic presence, innovative tech and EV driving capability. Top-tier Ferrari craftsmanship. Cons, heavy, around 1.6, 1.7. Curb weight supercar fuel and maintenance costs. Cargo space limited, approximately 167 L total. Cold weather can reduce EV range/E performance. If you're in the market for a top-tier Ferrari that gives you rocket ship performance with open-air excitement, and you can absorb the price and upkeep, this Rosso Scuderia SF90 Spider is hard to beat. It's a statement, it's a beast, and it's pure Italian engineering. Thanks for watching the Car Review Lab. Hit like if you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe for more review content, and drop a comment. What feature do you want to test drive first?